So, my dear devotees, today we are going to do verse 9, chapter 6 from Bhagavad Gita. So, like always, I'll recite thrice and then we will all practice together. Surina mitraryudasina madhyastha devash madhyastha dveshya bandhushu sadhushvapi cha papeshu samabuddhirvishishyate suran mitraryudasina madhyastha dveshya bandhushu sadhushvapi cha papeshu samabuddhirvishishyate Suran mitraryudasina madhyastvadvesha bandhushu sadhushvapi cha papeshu samabuddhirvishishyate. Please recite after me. Suran mitraryudasina madhyastvadveshya bandhushu sadhushvapi cha papeshu samabuddhirvishishyate. Suran mitraryudasina madhyastvadveshya bandhushu sadhushvapi cha papeshu samabuddhirvishishyate. Suran mitraryudasina madhyastvadveshya bandhushu sadhushvapi cha papeshu samabuddhirvishishyate. Now the word meanings and translation by His Grace A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Surat, to well-wishers by nature. Mitra, benefactors with affection. Ari, enemies. Udasina, neutrals between belligerents. Madhyastha, mediators between belligerents. Dvesha, the envious. Bandhushu, and the relatives or well-wishers. Sadhushu, unto the pious. Api, as well as. Cha, and. Apeshu, unto the sinners. Samabuddhihi, having equal intelligence. Vishishyate, is far advanced.
is far advanced.
Now the translation. A person is considered
A person is considered
still further advanced
still further advanced
when he regards
when he regards
honest well-wishers,
honest well-wishers,
affectionate benefactors,
affectionate benefactors,
the neutral mediators,
neutral mediators,
the envious,
the envious,
friends and enemies,
friends and enemies,
the pious and the sinners,
the pious and the sinners,
with an equal mind.
all with an equal mind.
So herein, what we can say about this shloka is, as explained by acharyas, that it is in the nature of human beings to respond differently to our friends or to our enemies or foes, but an elevated yogi's nature is different. Because can we please go on mute? May I request all the devotees to be on mute, please? So an advanced yogi, he sees the whole creation in its unity with God. They are able to see all living beings with equality of vision. And this equality of vision or disparity of vision, it also exists at various levels. For example, all living beings, there's a verse that goes as Atmavat Sarva Bhuteshu Ya Pashyati Sa Pandita. A true Pandit is one who sees everyone as the soul and hence similar to oneself. That is to say that all living beings are divine souls and hence parts of the God. So that's the reason why they are viewed as equal. So this is one perspective. The another perspective is, which is slightly on a higher level, is that God is seated in everyone and hence all are equally respect worthy. So the first one was where we were saying that since all living beings are divine souls, so they are the part and parcel of Lord. That's why they should be viewed as equal. And the second viewpoint says that since God is seated, the Paramatma is seated within our hearts. So that's why everybody should be respected equally, and they are equally worthy. Still further, at the highest level, the yogi develops a vision which goes beyond these two perspectives. And that is to say that everyone is the form of God. And the Vedic scriptures also state that the whole world is a veritable form of God. The entire universe, with all its living and non-living beings, is the manifestation of the Supreme Being who dwells within it. God is everywhere in this world, and everything is his energy. Hence, the highest of the yogis sees everyone as the manifestation of God. And when one is endowed with this level of vision, one of the examples that we can see is in the Ramayana, and when Hanuman says, Siya Ram Maya Sab Jag Jani, that is, I see the face of Sita Ram in everyone. So these 3-4 categories have been actually further detailed in the next few shlokas in the same chapter. I think it is the verses 30 to 33, something like that. I'm not sure about it, but it is in the same chapter that these categories have been explained by the Lord himself to Arjuna. And he also says that the yogi who can maintain an equal vision towards all persons is even more elevated than any other uh, and any other kind of yogi.